Very good, my friends. Do you need a present for your girlfriend and you don't know what to do? Do you want something very cheap, very original, and made by yourself? Then you have to take a look to this video because I'm going to show you how to prepare very small pieces of metal that can be from titanium or stainless steel that you can attach to a bracelet or a necklace for your girlfriend. The budget for this project, if you have the tools already, is less than 5 euros, and you will see the result. Here we have an English bulldog and a sunflower. English bulldog silhouette. The only thing you need to buy on internet is this. This is going to be used to attach it to the necklace or to the bracelet. For this task we are going to need a sheet of metal, can be stainless steel or titanium. We are going to need some markers, the patterns, the drill. Also we are going to need the protections, a big grinder and a small Dremel tool to do the fine job. Okay, let's get started. Then you just need a kit of pieces like this that you can buy on Amazon. And let's check. I use the 1.1 millimeter drill and fits perfect here. Now we just need to put it in the bracelet and close it. Okay, we will fit it in the bracelet, and then with this we close it. I hope this video has been useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I have a video about the Dremel tool and how to use it that you can take a look here. And also in the description you will find a link to the products that I have used here in the video, so it's easier for you to find it. Thank you for watching and see you next video.